Going on YouTube? Purchased this wireless backup camera, color monitor kit, easy installation, which I'm not gonna do myself. Having Pops do it. I'm gonna put this sorry about that. I'm gonna put this on my work van, which I need it, so I don't want to hit nobody. So as you can see, it's easy to adjust a license plate camera, customize your monitor viewing angle, and connect two wires to your vehicle backup light. So that's about it. 1-year warranty. Open it. That's what it comes with the monitor. Yeah, I'm gonna put it so y'all can read it. The 4.3-inch LCD color monitor, license plate frame camera, the heavy duty monitor mount, the power adapter with the dual USB port, and a manual cable and wire connector. So there you have it. So I just put the camera, make sure it adjusts like that, so you know that's the right way. It was moving, adjusting down. Hold on, my fault. Like that. So the bracket's in the back. You put the plate right there. I got the screw. We got holes. Make sure it's not blocking the light for the plate. And yeah, and the wire. I use one of the old screws right here. I use them to stick it right through. The wire's connect. Oh, hold on. So the wire's connected. It was running through right here, going through the hole. I'm assuming it's gonna go through these holes right here. That's connected to the brake light. So we have all the wires connected. So next step is to remove the what I'm assuming is to remove the tail light. Now we just remove the tail light, 4 screws to access the reverse wire light. Took the screws out. That's the rubber thing.
These are the two wires that we gotta get in.
So tape it up again. Push it through the rubber. Came off again?
No, it's on.
Oh, I thought, oh, it's still at the bottom, okay.
So I pull it up now easy.
There you go. That's it. Just pull it all the way out. Push everything back together in the hole. Connected.
Nice and neat, you know?
Nice and neat. Everything is, you know. Nah, that's good right there, Pops. Yeah. And then we got, hold on, we gotta put this in the hole too, right here, the wire. Hold on. Throw this hole in the wire. Let me go to the other side and show y'all real quick. As you can see right there, that's the hole. Just pull it out. Everything look nice and neat. There you go. And all you gotta do is just push the rubber back in, as you can see. Boom. A little bit more pop the top, yep. Just push the top in, you good. Yep, a little bit more right there, you good. Yep, that's good enough. Yeah, it's right there, it's good. So the wire's a little long, so we might have to trim it down. And then look for the
instead of trimming it.
or just keep it? Yeah, keep it like that. Just tie it down.
Yeah,
alright, you can do that. You could use it in the future.
In the future, exactly. You want to put it to another car or whatever, you know?
So that's the tail. We're just gonna...
We're going to jump into that right there. Okay?
Just
so like that, and then hold this right there like that. Let me get a little bit more of this one. Hold that right there.
there's, that's the power, right?
I that's what I want to see.
testing out. That's the power wire now.
Yep, see, that's
Yeah,
the power wire.
wire. It's a clip on, jump onto the wire.
Put this on here. Put that there.
Oh, it's still over. 10:30.
Is it the one that's it? Right?
Wait, that's the what?
And this one goes over here.
That's the ground.
No, this is positive.
Oh, that's the power. Okay.
I'm tired of fucking Chinese. What's the what do you say? American foods, American.
You got a mouth there?
No, I got a spoon.
So these are the thing that comes with the kit, wiring and all that. You just put it in the hole and squeeze it in. So it's simple. Just reach it all the way down, whatever, as far as you can. In the middle, yep, right there. Squeeze that. Tight.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna copyright me on that shit.
No black one? No. Blue one then for negative.
And that one goes to the ground, right?
Right. That's the other wire.
That's the other wire. Goes to the other wire.
What people's got? That shit.
Now you gotta open up the other wire and put a little clamp onto it.
You don't have to open it.
Oh, you don't have to.
No.
I guess we don't have to open it.
No. Once you put it in there, it cuts.
It already cuts in.
It cuts in, yeah. I needed to cut it one because I needed to know which
test
one.
out
Right.
Okay. So yeah, you don't need to cut it. Just it cuts in when you clamp onto the wire.
Yeah.
There you go. That's the ground wire, folks.
Okay, that's in. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good, pops.
Let me show this one.
The other one's already in. You already opened
Yeah.
it. Or you want to click it in? Yeah, that's good. You don't want to break it. Now what we gotta do is connect the wires
Right, this one.
and then charge the monitor,
The
which I
red
didn't
one.
do yet. Just push it all the way in, I guess. It's already in.
No, it's not though.
What happened?
It's on the outside. It has to go on there.
That looks good to me.
No, it's not. Look, it has to go inside. You see that?
Oh, the clip?
The little hole right there.
So it's all wired up. Put the tail lights back on, the screws back on. Have to set up the monitor now.
No wires up there, right?
Nah, no wires. Everything's all set in the back, as you can see. They gave this to charge the monitor. Put it up right here. Matter of fact, take that out. Boom, it got power. So, USB to charge the monitor. This for your window or where you want to clamp it at. I'm thinking I'm just gonna probably clamp it right here next to my rear view mirror, so I can actually see too when I put in reverse. So let's see. I just set everything up.
Stand back there so we can get a nice view of you.
I just loaded it up now. We'll see how it works.
We want to see your boss though. Turn around, okay? No, we don't want to see your boss.
Should I start it up? Paul, I'm about to start up the van real quick.
Nah, you can't start it.
There you can.
Alright, I'm gonna put it in reverse, see if it works. Oh God!
Man. Look at that. Ha, you can see
Pop,
you.
can you push it down?
Push
the lens?
it down
yeah,
some.
yeah,
Turn
down.
it off. You don't
But I just know where to stop because I just measure right here.
get more, the closer
So
you
this is
get,
where
the
I'm gonna
more
stop
red
at in the
lines you
middle.
Get, don't you?
So give me space, so man, I won't hit nobody else. So that's my stopping point right there. The furthest I can go. But yeah, so far this is good. Liking it.
You like that, huh?
Yeah. So y'all, if this video was helpful, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Peace and love.